Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neeti Raizada. I am Director of Medical Oncology and Hemato-Oncology at Fortis Group of Hospitals at Bangalore. Here in FCI, that is Fortis Cancer Institute, we have a whole spectrum of new development and new treatment options available under one roof, whether it is any subspecialty in cancer, whether starting from head and neck cancer, whether it is thoracic cancer like breast and lung cancer, whether it is blood cancers like lymphoma, leukemia and myelomas, extended to bone marrow transplant, whether it is gut or intestinal cancers, stomach cancer, kidney, bladder or prostate cancer, or even bone cancers. So we take a whole spectrum of everything in mind. We have multidisciplinary team which has tumor boards done at a regular interval, in which every patient is discussed from time to time and plans are chalked out, in which we take care of not just domestic patients but international patients extending from the Indian subcontinent, Middle East, from Africa, Pan-Africa, even Australia and New Zealand, and a lot of patients who come from Europe and America, because quite a few health issues here can be taken up with accelerated speed. So we focus on time, and we know that the time we deliver here is much less than probably across the globe. Scans are done on the same day in which biopsies are done. In the next 2 to 3 days of the patient coming to our country, the treatment is started. Most of these patients require extended stay in our country. So they may require to stay for maybe a couple of months, about 2 to 3 months, before the entire treatment is delivered. Some people take the plan back to their own country. So they would probably start the treatment here, take a plan which they can continue in their country, and then come back for finding out whether there was a good disease response and then what needs to be done further.